In this video today we're going to replace the clutch slave cylinder in Annie because our old one's naff. Seeing how I've got everything out of the engine bay on this corner, the brake servo and master cylinder, it's the ideal opportunity to jump in and get the clutch slave cylinder replaced. So I'm going to quickly whip that off now and we'll fit the new one. That's the old brake master cylinder now removed, fairly straightforward, and I've got the new one sitting here. I've just put the braided hose on loosely just now, because obviously we need to wire that in. So there's the old one there. I'm taking this boot off. You can see how mucky it is in there, just full of crud. So refitting is exactly the same as taking off. So let's get this back in the car. Well, I forgot to turn the mic on again, so anyway, here's a juice bottle, or the old water bottle, with a bit of screen wash tube in it. I've used this system for many years. It's neat, it's tidy, and it prevents fluid from going all over the place. I've hooked it onto the bleed nipple here, and safely stowed the bottle inside the engine bay. And my lovely little assistant, she's pressing the clutch pedal while I've got the bleed nipple open, and I lock it off once the foot's to the floor. I've used this system for years and it works a treat. Well guys, that's it for today on the clutch slave cylinder rebuild. If you have made it this far, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.